Today, we will be doing something everybody think complicated, but listen, our friends at Grace make it easy. We're doing jerk chicken. Come now, man. So listen, right? Jerk is nothing complicated. And again, as I told you, our friends at Grace make things super easy for us. So we have our ingredients here because, you know, even though we have Grace, we're going to jazz it up a bit, right? Simple ingredients that most people have in the pantry. But jerk has some little secrets that we're going to show you today. So we're starting with simple things. Oil, garlic. You must have pepper. Now here's the thing, right? A lot of people fray the spice, but what is jerk without a little kick to it? So you could make it to how hot you want it. Cool? Salt, sugar, black pepper, black soy sauce, not the light one, because we're looking for a certain color. So we're using the dark soy sauce. Thyme. See this? One of the secret ingredients to jerk. Now, one of the secrets. You see this? Pimento berries. Not to be confused with our pimento peppers. No, it is not the same thing. This, I'm going to show you. This is the secret. So yeah, we have our ingredients here. We're going to be putting it in our mortar. We're looking for a nice paste in combination with Grace marinade, our Grace jerk marinade. Let me do salt, sugar, black pepper, soy sauce, garlic, one pepper. We're keeping the seeds because we want the kick of it. We put in this here, some thyme. You know, if not too much, not too little. And we're starting to mix it up. Now listen, we get it in. Putting in a little of oil to bring it together. And you're looking for a paste consistency. So, don't forget, remember, our pimento berries. We're putting it into our spice blender now. We're looking for a nice powder. This is what we get now. So, we have our pimento now, we have our paste, we have our Grace marinade, and now all this to do is just mix up. Let's do this thing, man. So listen, as a chef, I'm gonna tell you, jerk have a lot of complex flavors, but you see this, I'm telling you, it does make my work so much easier. Once I doing jerk, this is one of my sure ingredients. So let me start with it now because we're gonna mix up the chicken now. Here's the thing. Don't afraid to touch your food when you're cooking it. We're starting with our jerk. 2, 3 of this. Our pimento. We put in all. Listen, everything's smelling heavenly. And we're using these things, not our tongues. And we get it in it. We rub in, mixing all our pieces. Make sure all the pieces are coated nicely. Don't worry, you can wash your hands after. Make sure all the pieces on them. Get all our jerk seasoning in. And we marinating from a minimum of 2 hours. 2 hours time, you're good to go because we want the seasonings to infuse properly. So yeah, folks, 2 hours pass. Our oven is preheating. We have our chicken. Time to cook. So listen, we're using legs. These legs are gonna cook pretty quickly. So I would say cooking time, 45 minutes to an hour time. You're good to go. Cook time. Let's go in the oven and get this thing going. Watch how we looking now. Out of the oven, looking all sexy and stuff. So, let me plate up and let me eat something now. Listen, the thing hot. And I know all you laugh at me the last time when I eat the hot burger and burn my mouth. But nah, not this time. We will take our time, plate up nice. And yeah, yum. Let's do this. So now let me do the real test. Let me taste it now. Listen to me. Listen to me. Oh yeah. It's best to know. Right type of flavor. Right type of spice. Now, if we have something to eat, we had to have something to drink too. And our friends at Grace give us our tropical rhythms. Pineapple guava. Let me taste it now. Perfect combination. The jerk with this, well, you have to try this, man. Listen, today was just a good day. We eat with grace, we drink with grace. What more all you want? Big up to our family at Grace for this wonderful jerk seasoning. All you make sure and try it and let us know what you think. Stay safe, everybody. Blessings to the eatahfood family.